Hello class 2, how are you? I think you all are quite fine, isn't it? Children, we will take, today we will do general knowledge. Okay, are you all ready? So this is your general knowledge book, Junior Knowledge Part 2, and today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter 25, and the page number is 3939. So open your book at page number 39, and the name of the chapter is Festivals, isn't it? And this is page number 39. Okay, so here we learn something more about festivals. Children, we live in such a country where we celebrate different festivals throughout the year, isn't it? So there are many festivals and we enjoy a lot during the festival time, isn't it? So throughout the year, like we celebrate Durga Puja, Christmas, Eid, isn't it? Then Navratri, then Diwali, Holi, so many festivals are there, Easter. So we celebrate many festivals throughout the year. So India is known as the land of festivals. Okay, now in this chapter we will learn about some festival and their importance. Okay, so open your book at page number 39. I hope you have already taken out your book, opened your book at page number 39. Okay, now what you have to do here, see, and we enjoy a lot. We dance, we sing during the festival, and we eat delicious dishes, isn't it? So this is how we worship God. This is how we celebrate each of the festivals. Now fill in the blanks to complete the name of the festivals. Now here you can see name of the festivals are given, but they are not incomplete. Okay, now we have to look at the picture, identify which festival is this, and some hints are given down, and then we have to fill up the blanks. The first one, see, we can see few people, they are dancing, isn't it? Few men, they are dancing. Now it's this festival is a new farming season begin. So this festival is celebrated when a new farming season begins. And how it is celebrated? The special way of celebrating is the men dance. During this festival, the men, especially the gents, they dance, and the dance is known as Bhangra, isn't it? Bhangra Pale, you all know, isn't it? So the dance is known as Bhangra. Now I think you can say it is from which state? Okay, it is celebrated specially in Punjab, isn't it? So here, and they call this festival Baisakhi. Okay, now we have to fill up. All of you take the pencil and write with me. B is already given, isn't it? Write on Baisakhi. Baisakhi. Okay, so the speciality of this festival is the men from that state, they perform dance. Okay, and the dance is known as Bhangra, very famous dance, isn't it? So here it is, here you will write Baisakhi, Baisakhi. Okay, now see the next one is number 2. We can see that this we can see someone tying the Rakhi. You all know, isn't it? Rakhi is going to come, it's approaching, isn't it? It is on, I think, 3rd of August. We all celebrate Rakhi, and we call it what? Raksha Bandhan, isn't it? So, and the Hindu, they celebrate this festival, isn't it? They celebrate Raksha Bandhan, where the relationship between brother and sister is celebrated. Okay, now see, hints are brings brothers and sisters closer. This festival brings brothers and sisters closer. Okay, and then also known as Raksha Bandhan, as I have told you, Raksha Bandhan. So what this girl is tying, especially the sister, they tie Rakhi on the hand of their brothers. Okay. See, some girl is tying Rakhi. So here you will write Rakhi. R-A-K-H-I. Rakhi. Done. Now come to the next one, number 3. Dash O and dash dash L. Okay. Now, it is an important festival celebrated in the state of Tamil Nadu. Okay, it is also a very famous festival which is celebrated in Tamil Nadu, and this the winter crop is harvested. Okay, and they celebrate this festival when the winter crop is harvested. Okay, so it will be Pongal. So you write down Pongal, Pongal. Done. Now come to number 4. So here we can see the girls, the ladies, they are wearing colorful dresses and they are dancing, isn't it? So this festival is also linked with farming, and it is held 3 times in a year in Assam. This festival is celebrated by the people of Assam, and thrice they celebrate this festival. Okay, and this festival is also linked with farming. Clear? Now this is Bihu, B-I-H-U, Bihu. So you write like this. So they perform the Bihu dance here. You all know, I think. Yes. Now come to the next one, next picture. Here also we can see the people, they are enjoying, they are boating, isn't it? Now you can see boat, the sailing boat. So this is celebrated in Kerala to honor a king. So they celebrate this festival to honor the king. Okay. Now the monsoon crop is harvested. When they celebrate it, when the monsoon crop is harvested, and it is believed by them during that festival, the soul of the dead king. Okay. It is said that the soul of the dead king, the king visits the state Kerala. So they celebrate this festival to commemorate the king, and the name of the king is Bahubali. Okay. So this is which festival? This is Onam. O-N-A-M. Onam. Okay. Now we can see the last picture, picture number 6. So here you have to fill up this blank. The hints are held in the season of autumn, when it is held during autumn, and it is a sign of victory of good over evil. Okay, so we celebrate this festival as a sign of, as a symbol of victory of good over evil. So we celebrate it on the 10th day of the festival of Navratri, isn't it? And it is known as Dashera. So you write here D-U-S-S-E-H-R-A. Okay, this way. This is Dashera. So here in this chapter we have come to know more about the festivals of our country, India, isn't it? So you will learn all these things for your exam and write it properly and send it for correction. Thank you.